This ribbon Christmas tree is a beautiful decoration and it's very easy to make. In fact, it's so easy that it's also a suitable project to sew with children. I just made it with a bunch of 11-year-olds and they did a fabulous job. Hi, I'm Jenny and my channel Sew You is all about sewing. If you want to see more tutorials, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Let's get started! And this is what you need. One satin ribbon that is 1 inch wide and 28 inches long. Stiff ribbons work better. You also need a fabric ribbon that is also 1 inch wide and 28 inches long. Rip the fabric to make it evenly wide. If you can, iron it flat. Place the two ribbons with the left sides on top of each other. The nice sides are on the outside. Pin them together if needed. Sew the ribbons together by stitching around the edges with a small distance. Secure the stitches by sewing backwards and forwards and cut off the threads. Draw a straight line in the middle of a piece of paper. Draw another line in a right angle at the bottom. This line is 2.75 inches long on each side of the first line. The middle line is 5.5 inches long. Complete the triangle. Place the ribbon onto the triangle and pin it in place. Lay it into the shape of the triangle and constantly pin it in place. Mark the middle of the Christmas tree lightly with a pencil. Leave long threads at the top of the Christmas tree. Sew through the middle of the Christmas tree. Secure the stitches at the beginning and at the end by sewing backwards and forwards again. Carefully remove the paper and cut off the threads at the bottom. Your ribbon Christmas tree is finished. You can now hang it up with the top threads. Subscribe and hit the bell for more sewing videos. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!